Good morning, students. Shantiniketan Junior College, Mugundapuram, Inter First Year, Maths A, topic multiple and submultiple angles. In the previous class, we will discuss about the definition of multiple submultiple angle, some formulas, 2a, sin 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a. For multiple angle for 3a, sin 3a, cos 3a, tan 3a. So, angle to submultiple angle, a to a by 2, 2a to a. And some problems, some values, degree values. 22.5 degrees, 67.5 degrees, 18 degrees, 36 degrees values. Okay. Today we will discuss some problems depend on the multiple submultiple angle formulas. So first problem is if cos theta is equal to minus 5 by 13, cos theta is equal to minus 5 by 13 and pi by 2 less than theta less than pi, find the value of sin 2 theta. Find the value of sin 2 theta. Okay. In this problem, finally we can find the value of sin 2 theta. So here what is the given conditions? Given values are cos theta value is minus 5 by 13 and theta lies in above 90, below 180. That angle is in which coordinate? Second coordinate. So here given values are given that cos theta is equal to minus 5 by 13 and pi by 2 less than theta less than pi. Means theta belongs to above 90, below 180. Angle is in second coordinate. So theta belongs to Q2. So we can draw a right angle triangle in second quadrant. Cos means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Then what is the value of opposite side? 13 square, 169 minus 25, 144, means plus or minus 12. But this side values are positive sign. So we can write plus 12. From the figure we can write the value of sin theta. Sin theta is equal opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite 12, hypotenuse 13. So we can find the value of sin 2 theta. By the multiple angle, sin 2 theta can be written as 2 sin theta cos theta. So 2 into what is the value of sin theta? 12 by 13. Cos theta value is minus 5 by 13. So 12 5 60. 60 into 2 120. Minus 120 by 13 169. This is the value of sin 2 theta value. Do you understand? Everyone note that one? Okay, completed. Write on the next one. Next one. If sin alpha is equal to 3 by 5 and pi by 2 less than alpha less than pi, then find the values of cos 3 alpha and sin 2 alpha. Okay. So first of all we can write the given conditions. Here given that the given values are sin alpha is equal to 3 by 5 and alpha in between 90 to 180, above 90, below 180. Then alpha belongs to is in which coordinate? Second coordinate. So we can draw a right angle triangle in second quadrant for angle alpha. Sine means opposite by hypotenuse. 3 by 5. What's the value of adjacent side? These side values are all negative values. 5 square minus 3 square. 25 minus 9. 16. 16 means 4. So these side values are negative values of minus 4. From the figure, we can write the value of cos alpha. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Minus 4 by 5. So first we can find the value of cos 3 alpha. By the multiple angles, cos 3a can be written as 4 cos cube a and 4 cos cube alpha minus 3 cos alpha. That equals 4 of, we know the value of cos alpha. What is the value of cos alpha? Minus 4 by 5 whole cube minus 3 into minus 4 by 5. So 4 of 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64. So minus 64 by 125 minus of minus plus 12 by 5. So total here what is the LCM? 125 is the LCM. Minus 64 4 ja 256 plus 25 12 ja 25 10 ja 250 25 2 ja 50 25 into 12 300. Well, 5 is 60, 24 plus 6, 30. So 300 minus 256. 256, 50. So 44. So 44 by 125. This is the value of cos 3 alpha. And next one, sin 2 alpha. Sin 2 alpha formula. 2 sin alpha cos alpha. That equals 2 into what is the value of sin alpha? Sin alpha value is 3 by 5 into cos alpha minus 4 by 5. So minus 3 2 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24 by 5 5 ja 25. Sin 2 alpha value is minus 24 by 25. Cos 3 alpha value is 44 by 125. Okay, note that one. Okay, completed. Try the next one. Try the problem. If cos theta is equal to minus 3 by 5 and pi less than theta less than 3 pi by 2, find the value of tan theta by 2. Tan theta by 2. Okay. Here what are the given values? Given that cos theta is equal to minus 3 by 5. We can find the value of tan theta by 2. So tan theta by 2, half of the angle can be written as in angle form. Tan theta by 2 is equal to plus or minus under root of 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. That equal plus or minus under root of 1 minus, what is the value of cos theta? Minus 3 by 5 by 1 plus minus 3 by 5. That is plus or minus under root of 1 minus of minus plus. So on the numerator LCM is 5. 5 1 ja 5 plus of 3 by denominator LCM is also 5. 5 1 ja 5 plus of minus minus. So 5 5 get cancelled. That equal plus or minus under root of 5 plus 3, 8 by 2. That equal plus or minus root 8 by 2 means root 4. That equal plus or minus 2. Tan theta by 2 value is plus or minus 2. So here we can take either plus or minus, but the angle theta lies in which coordinate? Angle theta is in between 180 to 270. So pi less than theta less than 3 pi by 2. So then implies the total angle dividing with the 2, pi by 2 less than theta by 2 less than 3 pi by 4. So theta by 2, the angle theta by 2 lies in which coordinate? Theta by 2 is in between 90 to 135. Then theta by 2 belongs to second coordinate. In the second coordinate, tan is negative sign. So tan theta by 2 is less than 0. Therefore, tan theta by 2 value is, here we can take plus or minus 2 low. Manam em consider chestam? Negative mean that is minus 2. So therefore, tan theta by 2 value is minus 2. Okay, understand? Everyone note that one?
Two classes complete. First year, second year teacher. Then disconnect one. Two first year first year and 27, 28. Second year. Because somebody work on model. 20 plus mana disconnect kada net of seven case ekkiche unna already public cheyaniki settings ekki unna already setting ani publishing mode upload okay regarding 38.
Okay, completed. Right to the next one. Right to the question. If cos A is equal to 7 by 25 and 3 pi by 2 less than A less than 2 pi. Find the value of cot A by 2. Find the value of cot A by 2. Okay. In this problem, what is the given conditions? Given that cos A is equal to 7 by 25 and 3 pi by 2 less than A less than 2 pi. So, given cos A is equal to 7 by 25. By using cos A, we know that cot A by 2 is equal. Cot A by 2 is equal formula plus or minus under root of 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A. That equal plus or minus under root of 1 plus 7 by 25 by 1 minus 7 by 25. So totally on the numerator LCM is 25, denominator LCM is also 25. So plus or minus under root of 25 plus 7 by 25 by 25 minus 7 by 25. So 25 get cancelled. That equal plus or minus under root of 25 plus 7, 32 by 25 minus 7, 25 minus 7, 16. So 32 by 18. So 2 9 ja, 2 16 ja. That equal plus or minus root 16 by 9. That equal plus or minus root 16 means 4, root 9 means 3. So cot A by 2 value is either plus or minus 4 by 3. But the angle A in between. So given the angle A in between 270 to 360. So this angle dividing with 2, 3 pi by 4 less than A by 2 less than pi. So 3 pi by 4 means 135. 135 less than A by 2 less than 180 means above 135 below 180. Then the angle is in which coordinate? Second coordinate. In the second coordinate, cot is negative. So therefore cot A by 2 we can take negative value, that is minus 4 by 3. Okay, understand? Everyone know that one? Okay, completed. Okay students, the remaining problems will be continuing in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.